Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and I'm going to be showing you the locations of the 3 fuse boxes and also the OBD2 Diagnostics port. So we're going to open up the driver's door fully, just go down into the footwell, and just behind the bonnet release lever there's actually this white socket, and this is our OBD2 Diagnostics port. Next we're going to go into the bonnet by pulling this lever here, coming around to the front of the car, put your hand in just above the Toyota badge and there's a lever, push that to the left, there's the lever, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, we can have a good look around the engine bay, and you'll notice there's 2 boxes, one here and one there for the, it says relay and fuses, and you just push the 2 tabs together and lift it off, and it actually shows your fuse designation underneath. So that's our first fuse box. Come over to the right hand side of the engine bay when looking from the front of the car. We've got this bigger one as well. We've got 2 tabs at the back and 1 at the front. And this is our main engine compartment fuse box, and you can see it's quite well populated. And then on the back of the lid again you've got your fuse designation, you've got a spare fuse and also a fuse removal tool. Making sure you always pop these covers back on. And lastly we'll go to the passenger compartment fuse box, which is found over the passenger side of the vehicle. Open up the door fully, making sure the seat's right away to the back. And we're going to actually undo this black plastic cover, which is 4 tabs. We've got 1 here, 1 right over to the left, 1 here. So you just squeeze that in like that, and then the final one is over in this corner here. With that down, you can actually move that out of the way. Now you do have an electrical connection holding that, and you can just about see that black cover, and that is actually our fuse box. So let me just get my hand in there. So you just take off the cover like that, and then again our fuse designation is on the cover. And then you can actually just about see, sorry it's hard with the camera, our fuse is there as well. So just to show you which way the cover goes on, it goes on with that bit at the back and that bit at the front. That's gone back on, and then we put the cover plate into the 2 prongs at the back, and then just rotate it up and obviously click those 4 clips in like that. So there we go. Sorry for the camera on that last one, but that's the 3 locations of the fuse boxes and the OBD2 Diagnostics port on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.